Announcements of the appointment of Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales.
Mr Toomey.
Please the Court, it's my privilege on behalf of the Bar to present those of our number who have recently been appointed Senior Counsel in and for the State of New South Wales.
Thank you, Mr Toomey.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend Eric Bolotis.
Thank you, Mr Lang. Mr Lang, since your admission to the Bar in 2002, you have made a reputation in the criminal law. Prior to being called to the Bar, you were admitted to the Bar in New York and practised as an attorney. You have practised as a bar in London at Great James Street Chambers. You brought all of those skills to the back row of the row of barristers in the famous Pendennis terrorism trial in Parramatta circa 2007. You later practised as a foreign lawyer in Munich. You participated in the Bar Association's mentoring program and have been a member of the Bar Association's Criminal Law Committee. Congratulations.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend Elliot Alexander James Hyde.
Thank you, Ms Shepherd. Since your admission to the Bar in 2006, you have made your reputation in corporations law, equity, property, strata, bankruptcy and insolvency. Prior to being called to the Bar, you worked as a solicitor in insolvency and litigation at Ashurst and then at Herbert Smith Freehills Kramer. You have been a member of the Bar Association's New Barristers Committee and Education Committee. You have mentored students through the University of Technology's Law Advocates Mentoring Program, through the University of New South Wales Women's Law Mentoring Program and Career Campus Mentoring. Thank you.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend Daniel Kleinberg.
Thank you, Mr Fraser. Since your admission to the Bar in 2009, you have a reputation in criminal law. Prior to being called to the Bar, you practised as a solicitor for legal aid in Wollongong and Sydney. In 2018, you were appointed as a public defender where you serviced Wollongong and Sydney. You are a member and Deputy Chair of the Bar Association's Legal Aid Committee, and you were previously a member of the Bar Association's Criminal Law Committee. You are well regarded by the judges of the Western Sydney precinct for your candour and your precision. Congratulations.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend Scott Andrew Fraser.
Thank you, Ms Barnett. Since your admission to the Bar in 2010, you have made your reputation in media and defamation law. Prior to being called to the Bar, you practised as a solicitor at Cropper Parkhill Solicitors and Blake Dawson Waldron. You are a member of the Federal Court's Defamation User Group. You have been a member of the Bar Association's Media and Information Law and Technology Committee and the Bar News Committee. In 2009, you were awarded the Blaschke Award for the highest aggregate mark in the New South Wales Bar exams. Congratulations.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend Julia Lillian Roy.
Thank you, Ms Nicholson. Since your admission to the Bar in 2013, you have made your reputation in criminal law. You were appointed as a Crown Prosecutor in 2018, Acting Deputy Senior Crown Prosecutor in 2024. Prior to being called to the Bar, you worked as a solicitor at Harrison Company and in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions in Wagga Wagga. You then worked at Legal Aid New South Wales. You are a member of the Diverse Women in Law, the Crown Prosecutor's CPD Committee, the Bar Association's Criminal Law Committee, and a mentor in the ODPP First Nations Mentoring Program. You are well known to many of the judges of this court for your diligence and preparation. Thank you.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my
Thank you, Mr Quilter. Since your admission to the bar in 2013, you have also made your reputation in criminal law. You were appointed as a public defender in 2013. Prior to being called to the bar, you worked as a solicitor in the Aboriginal Legal Services in Dubbo, Wagga Wagga and Redfern. You are also too modest in your précis of your career. You are also an editor of two evidence law publications and have a fine reputation before the CCA. We hope to see more of you in Parramatta in the time to come. The coffee is good. Now, I think we have people on video link.
I have the honour to announce that I have been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend David Paul Hume.
Thank you, Mr Lim. Since your admission to the bar in 2014, you have made your reputation in public and commercial law. Prior to being called to the bar, you had associateships with the Honourable Anthony Basanko KC, the then Federal Court Judge, and the Honourable Chief Justice Stephen Gageler AC at the High Court. You then worked as counsel assisting the Solicitor General of New South Wales. You are a member of the Bar Association's Professional Conduct Committee, and you were a member of the Bar Association's Diversity and Equality Committee. Thank you.
I have the honour to announce that I've been appointed as Senior Counsel for the State of New South Wales, taking rank and precedence next after my learned friend, Brendan Lim.
Thank you, Mr Jones. Since your admission to the bar in 2019, you have made your reputation in commercial law, corporate, international, administrative, and constitutional and sports law. Prior to being called to the bar, you practised at the bar in London in 2009, where you joined the wonderfully named Brick Court Chambers. You are a member of the Bar Association's Professional Conduct Committee, and you were a member of the Bar Association's Human Rights Committee. Thank you to all of you. I wish to acknowledge the traditional owners and the custodians of the land upon which we gather today. This court is located within the city of Parramatta, which for 60,000 years has been the home of the Barramatagal and other Darug peoples. These Darug and other First Nations people maintain an ongoing connection to Parramatta and its surrounding areas. I pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. Welcome to Dominic Toomey, President of the New South Wales Bar Association, I should say SC of course. The President and his selection committee devote a substantial amount of time to the process of selecting appointees, and I extend thanks on behalf of the judges here at Parramatta to all who give their time in the discharge of that function. To the Senior Counsel of 2025 who are able to be here today, here in person and AVL, each of you are welcome to this court. Many of you, of course, have appeared here, some of you regularly, some of you may be here for the first time. Welcome. Applying to become Senior Counsel is, based upon my observations at least, not for the faint-hearted. Putting yourself out there amongst your colleagues and those you appear before to be scrutinised and assessed, including, of course, accepting the risk of criticism. Each appointment is a recognition that you have been found by your profession to be knowledgeable in your chosen area and skilled in your advocacy. Additionally, each of you have been found, respectively, to be leaders. It is a testament to your commitment to the administration of justice in New South Wales that you have met this high standard. Of course, as you are all no doubt aware and have been told in many of the Silk's presentations, to maintain those high standards, your selection as Senior Counsel carries with it responsibilities to maintain those high standards and to shape, advise and to mentor those who come after you. To be conscious of that standard at all times, and in particular when you appear in a crowded courtroom, that you as a leader of your profession set an example to others. You also carry the duties of maintaining and fostering collegiality, camaraderie in our profession with generosity, humility and, might I add, kindness. On behalf of all the judges of the District Court sitting at Parramatta, what we think might be the first all-female silks presentation, I congratulate you on your appointment as Senior Counsel and wish you every success. We look forward to seeing you at the bar table at Parramatta and cordially invite you and your colleagues and members of the profession to join us for morning tea. The Court will now adjourn.
Silence or stand.